Hey, welcome back. It's the end of June. Apparently the world is burning, so figured we'd come into the shop and do some turning. I got this silly helmet on today. We're gonna rough out some wood straight out of the tree. So I thought we'd take a few extra precautions. Never roughed anything out straight off the tree. You gotta worry about the bark, any kind of limbs. You don't know what's gonna explode or come off of this as we start. So that's why I wear this extra silly old hockey helmet. I just got a little lens there for eye protection, but yeah, just in case. Just go real slow. Just want to find where that is. Just go back and forth, just very lightly. We're not pushing it off. Just barely touching that surface. A friend once told me like how a butterfly lands on a petal. Real soft. Once we get it centrifugal, then we can start to push in a little deeper. I'm not turning at all, just staying straight in. Oh, there's our little branch. Oh boy, this is really soft wood. See there, we got a split. So we'll have to just throw this piece out. That's junk. Hey everybody, stay safe out there, okay? Thanks for watching.